Since last time, I got most of the, I don't know what they called it, just like a soffit or something, I don't know. It doesn't matter, it was pretty rough. So I got most of it down, as you can see. Unfortunately, I broke a piece of drywall when I was trying to cut out a piece, so that's not a big deal. I can fix that pretty quick. Over here, I wish they would have just left this ceiling. This ceiling is actually really nice. Right above my head, as you can see. And then I was going to move that because I think they were on Pinterest and thought that they were gonna put lights around or something, so I guess they never got to it. However, the light does work, that socket does work, I checked it. So it's connected to one of the switches over here. So I'm actually gonna take that off and probably run it over here for some down lights so that when we have the breakfast nook there, we'll be able to actually see. So I thought that was a good plan. I was hoping, like I said, to get this done, but now I have to get the shop vac out and just make sure I clean this up. I haven't seen any mice or rats. I do have traps out and I haven't seen anything, no movement, no activity, so I don't know, this must be old. However, it chewed a good hole through the ceiling, whatever it was. So it really did a job. So, like I said, when you get a house that's been used, lightly worn, or a dumpster fire like I have, these are the things you run into. So you just take them with a grain of salt. Thank the Lord the place is still standing after being neglected for obviously many years. And hopefully this gives somebody some humor. So God bless, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.